Hello everyone. Hurricane Ian is here. But well, he's south of us, but yeah, we're feeling the effects here. Some tree limbs down, palm trees. There's some tree limbs stuff down there. Got one right there. Got one right there. I'm just making a little short for my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to For the Storm Chasing Adventures. That would be greatly appreciated. There's one there, but it doesn't look all that bad. But I'll see if I can find more branches, and I shall be back. Now, tree branch there. One tree that's, yeah, looks like it's it broken off. As you can see, I have to be careful going down this hill though. Some of it down there, but yeah. Oh boy. That's bad.